So this is about Havells grill sandwich maker. So you can see it is connected to a AC plug like this. So you can see the plug, the 3-pin with ground. So this is the Havells. You can see this is the power switch. When you switch on, you can see that it is, when you switch on, you can see this is switched on, and when it gets heated up, it will say that it is ready to cook the food. You can see the temperature controller here, on and maximum. So this is off. So you can rotate this, and there is a lock given here. So if you lock it, you cannot lift the handle. So now you can lift the handle. You can see the grill here. So approximately 4 normal breads can be grilled in this, and there is an oil collector below. So you can see this oil will be collected in this tray here. So this is the tray where the oil will be collected, extra oil will be collected. So this is how we are going to use the Havells sandwich maker. You can see that the griller is getting heated up now. So once it gets heated up, the ready button will get switched on. So you can see the lock over here. So if you lock it, you cannot lift the handle here. Okay, so it is getting heated up. So let us wait for another few seconds. So it's a very nice sandwich maker for bread and other tikkas, or any vegetable grill you can do, potato grills. So it's a very nice griller, and you can do 4 sandwiches together. So this is the AC outlet on which the griller is, the sandwich maker is connected. So this requires a bigger pin which is having a ground connection also. So you can see it is getting heated up. You can see the smoke coming out of it. So it's really very hot. Be careful, don't touch the steel part of the body, only touch the black handle which is shown here. Only touch the plastic handle here. So using the controller, we can change the temperature. Depending on that, it will get heated up according to our requirement. See, now you can see the green light is switched on. That means it is ready to grill. So you can just lift the handle like this. You can see the smoke coming out. You can keep any bread, sandwich, whatever you want, and then close it. So this is how it works. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.